The elliptical movement of the earth. The folly of fools is deception. Proverbs 14, verse 8. Modern science tells us that the earth orbits the sun with an incredible speed of 110,000 kilometers per hour. Even though our senses tell us we are not moving, and every true scientific experiment has proven the same thing, they continue to insist upon this folly. But here is a new hole in their absurd theory. The orbit of the Earth around the Sun, they say, is not a perfect circle, but an ellipse, that is, an oblate circle. Hence, the speed of the movement of the Earth is not constant and must change due to the elliptical form of its orbit around the Sun. You see, the Earth has to accelerate at the turns and then slow down, and when it gets closer to the Sun, it has to speed up again. I hope you see the absurdity of the change of speed of the movement of the Earth in its supposed rotation around the Sun. When we indicate, rightly so, that we do not feel any movement of the Earth, they tell us we do not feel it because the movement of the Earth is constant, and it is like riding in a car that drives with a constant speed. Now, we find out that the speed of the of the Earth, is not constant. We understand that a better illustration is that of riding in a car that constantly changes its speed, speeding up and slowing down. Do you think we would feel this permanent change of speed? Of course we would. But in real life and on the real Earth, no one feels any movement and no acceleration or slowing down of the Earth. And that is because the Earth is immovable, as the Bible tells us and as our senses confirm it. By the way, one more absurdity of the pseudoscientific movement of the Earth around the Sun. The Earth, they tell us, is closer to the Sun in January and further from the Sun in July, but not with much, just with about 5 million kilometers. And I believe the Sun had something to do with the heat of summer.